Hey guys, Cody Blythe with Doosan Portable Power here. We're really excited to share with you guys today this new Evolution series of ours. It's our 185 through 250 CFM size class small air compressors. And with that said, we're just going to walk around and give you some key features and benefits, point them out as we walk. So with that said, let's hop in. So the first thing you're going to notice and first thing we're going to mention is this fuel system. It's a completely redesigned fuel system on this machine. We're kind of calling it the Tier 4F 2.0. Everybody knows how important the quality of the fuel is for these Tier 4 final engines. So we really stepped up the game with this fuel system and made sure that it had a really robust water separation system as well as an enlarged filter that could really capture any of that debris that may be in the bottom of the tanks. On these machines. We all know that they're in environments that often see those types of scenarios. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the engine. It's a brand new Doosan V2 engine. One of the coolest things I think about this machine is the injector valve cleaning logic that's on it. So every time this engine actually gets shut down, the ECM is going to send a high frequency signal to these injectors. And what that's going to do is allow any of that particulate matter or anything that may have gotten on the injectors during the operation of the machine, help those to fall off and make sure that when the machine starts back up, the injectors are clean and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and walk around to the curb side of the machine now, and we'll continue the key features and benefits over there. So the 185 CFM machines have really been a staple piece in the marketplace. And really, the majority of that is due to their versatility. These machines can be used for anything from paving breakers, small blasting rigs, and even to blow out your irrigation system in the winter to winterize it. And that's what we really wanted to build on with the Evolution series, is evolving that versatility of this 185 to 250 CFM size class that has really had almost the same functionality for multiple years now. And so what we're introducing to you today is the Doosan FlexAir system. It is our variable pressure and flow system with electronic pressure regulation that you can adjust from the control panel as opposed to having to go inside the package to do so. And we're really excited to share that with you guys. It's one of the biggest features of it is the larger pressure ranges that it's going to give these machines. So traditionally on a 185 CFM machine, you're going to see 100 PSI max pressure limit. On our new P185 HP150, you can actually get 150 CFM out of it at 150 PSI. One of the cool parts about that is job site placement. Again, talking about versatility with these machines. Versatility on the job site with these machines. So the fact that you can place this machine further away from the tool than you would have with the previous models is huge. We all know that job sites get very cramped and sometimes the compressor can't be within 100 feet of the tool. So if you have to run 200, 300, 400 feet of hose in between the tool and the compressor, this machine is going to be able to handle that pressure loss that you're going to see in that line. All you've got to do is bump it up a little bit over that 100 PSI and you'll see the 100 PSI at the tool itself. Another really cool aspect of this Doosan FlexAir system is some of the other applications that it has opened up the window to. So one of the major ones with this machine in particular is the 200 PSI fiber optic cable blowing application. We've seen in recent years that the fiber optic machines that are used in some of the smaller runs really don't need that 400 CFM flow capacity, but they have to have that 200 PSI pressure range. So now that we've made a machine that can do 165 CFM and still give you that 200 PSI, a lot of these contractors will be able to use that machine to do these smaller fiber optic jobs that really only require about 140 to 150 CFM. Again, evolving the 185 class to something different than it is today. That is our Evolution series. And we really hope that you enjoy it, and we hope that it opens up more job opportunities and more bids for you guys in the future. Thanks.